This is a review of the 2-in-1 body trimmer that I'll be doing a review about. We're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get from the package. And also, we are going to see whether or not if this thing works. So this body trimmer, it is for pretty much what I love, what I love about it. The fact that you could use this for pretty much everywhere. So you could use this like on your arms, hands, pretty much all of your, like everywhere you could use it. And without going further, we're going to unbox this and show you guys what you get in the package and how you use it, and do a little test demonstration to see whether or not this thing is worth it. So let's unbox this and show you guys what you get from inside this package. So right from here inside this package, we get pretty much the instruction guide and also a manual set if you get confused or lost. It also comes with that too. But right here we get the clips that use various sorts of clips you can use to pretty much however you want to do your trimming. It comes with 2 sets of them. Then it also comes with the thing on the body trimmer itself is right over here. Then this thing is very useful. So what this thing does is that you could use this as for your nose. So if there's any hair that you have in your nose, what this does is that it's pretty much a plug and play. Just snap it on. Right from there, it pretty much removes all hair located on your nose. And I love the fact that it does also that too. Like I mentioned, does pretty much everything. A huge plus right there that it also does it for your nose as well too. So if you have hair in your nose, I mean on your nose, then you can use it for that. But this is the hair trimmer itself here. Then right from here we get more. What I'll do now is I'll take everything out and show you guys more in depth about it. So I got everything out of the package, and you can see right over here that it comes with the USB to charge it up. And also what I love about this thing right here is that this is the charger to pretty much charge it up whenever the battery gets low. But the one cool thing about it has those 3, the rubber pieces on the bottom, so it's not going to move anywhere or fall, which is a good thing that I like about it. But yeah, if it comes time to charging it, what you have to do is that right here, you see those 3 tabs right here on the bottom. You just have to just press, put it on like that, like you set up your phone. Then the USB charger, you plug it in and it charges up like that. So it's very user-friendly, very easy to use. Now, let's get to the main part. The main part is on how you use this. So all you have to do now is just press this button right here. And when I press this button, it turns on. And it's you can see it has a strong suction. So pretty much it's gonna, I feel like this is gonna work very well for almost to your arms, legs, pretty much everywhere. And like I mentioned, it does it like everywhere, and also for your nose as well too, which is a huge plus right there. So if you have hair on your nose, you can use that to remove that as well too. But other than that, you get these 2 clips right here. Everything is very user-friendly and very easy to use. There's not a lot of things to it, so it is user-friendly. Then what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna be pretty much showcasing and showing how well this thing works, and we're gonna try to trim a little stuff probably on my arm to see if this thing, whether or not this thing works well. So these are the results after using this body trimmer. You can see that the results are, crystal clear itself. You can see how well this thing works. It removes hair very easily, no pain or anything like that. It was very super smooth. Pretty much the suction it has is very powerful as well too. It removes hair very easily, and like I mentioned, you can use this for everywhere. And this is probably one of the best body trimmers out of all the body trimmers I had in the past. This has a strong suction and it removes hair very easily without any sorts of like pain or anything like that. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this product, because not only that, but it also comes for if you have any blackheads, then you pretty much swap this out to that one, and it's plug and play, very easy to use. Like I mentioned, user friendly. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a new body trimmer or replacement set. Then this one is probably one of the best ones that you could get.